Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the tantalizing world of Korean cuisine with a special focus on Bossam. Get ready to unveil the hidden secrets of this beloved dish as we explore its history, cultural significance, and some fascinating unknown facts. To truly appreciate Bossam, we need to understand its roots. The dish has a long history that dates back to the Joseon Dynasty, over 600 years ago. Bossam was a staple meal in the royal court and among the upper-class citizens. Its exquisite flavors and delicate preparation made it fit for kings and queens. While Bossam has its regal origins, it eventually became a favorite among the common people. Interestingly, the dish was initially known as Bossam. Bossam literally translates to wrapped rice with various fillings. The name evolved over time to the now familiar Bossam. One of the key components of Bossam is the cabbage wrap. But did you know that the use of cabbage in this dish was not always the norm? Originally, Bossam was wrapped in lotus leaves or other edible greens. It wasn't until the late 19th century that cabbage leaves became the go-to choice due to their availability and affordability. Here's a fascinating fact. Traditionally, Bossam is made with 3 different types of pork. The first is the tender, juicy pork belly. The second is pork jowl, known for its rich marbling. And the third is a flavorful, slow-cooked pork shoulder. The combination of these 3 cuts creates an explosion of taste. One of the secrets behind Bossam's unique flavor lies in the process of fermentation. The pickled kimchi, served as an accompaniment to Bossam, is left to ferment for several days. This enhances the taste, gives it a slightly tangy kick, and complements the fatty goodness of the pork. No Bossam experience is complete without the iconic ssamjang sauce. While you might think it's a straightforward mixture of soybean paste and chili paste, the traditional ssamjang also includes sesame oil, garlic, green onions, and even ground shrimp or squid for an extra umami boost. Bossam is not just a delightful dish. It also holds cultural significance during specific times of the year. In Korean culture, Bossam is often prepared and enjoyed during the Lunar New Year celebrations, family gatherings, and important events. It symbolizes luck, fortune, and unity. And there you have it, a journey through the mysterious world of Korean Bossam. This beloved dish, steeped in history and filled with unique flavors, continues to captivate taste buds and hearts worldwide. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible food adventures. Until next time, happy eating!